Hello my lovelies, and welcome to this week's video. So, I was just on my way to the gym and I popped by Vinyl Art to see what they've got going on this week, and they have just received this very sexy looking Porsche. And you might think, but Victoria, this design is already incredible. Well, you just wait to see what they're gonna do. And here we have it. This is stage one of getting your car vinyl wrapped with Vinyl Art here in Marbella. So they have this very snazzy system which has all of the car makes and models all uploaded already. So you just tell them what your car is and what you have in mind. And with this system, as you can see, they personalize everything. So from wheel color to wing mirror color, any stripes, any type of decoration that you want, they send you the project, and once you're happy with it, I mean, you can, obviously amend it as many times as you want, and then once you're happy with it, the magic starts. I was going to say hello my lovelies, as if it was the start of a new video, because it's a different day, but it's not. It's a different day, but not a different car. A follow-up from the start of this video. Look at this absolute beaut, doesn't she look amazing? So as you guys saw, I put little snippets of the step-by-step process. This is a really special one. A lot of people seeing this car would just think that the vinyl already came in that pattern, but as you saw, it's been handmade, hand-played. So if you come a bit closer, you can see how they've still respected some of the original carbon of the car itself, and then just overlapped the different colours of vinyl, and it looks absolutely amazing. You definitely won't miss this car in a car park. Even, I don't care how drunk you are, if you come out of a nightclub and you're looking for your car and this is it, you're gonna find it no problem. She looks absolutely amazing, so aggressive. I just wish that I was having the keys to drive her home next time.
sí. Muy bien, muy bien. Sí, eso es. Sí, sí. Toma. Traca. Traca. Estoy grabando un vídeo. Sí, sí. Está Vicky en plena acción. Preparándose para el vídeo. Hello, hello, my lovely.
¿Está grabando?
Claro, llevo 20 segundos grabando ya.